Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Slack. Go ahead and click on your browser, and from here just get a quick start of how to use Slack. And you're gonna see right here there's a sidebar, and from the sidebar you can access the channels that you joined, open the direct messages, and then view the activity that you might need your attention, right? And then see list of your saved items and reminders, right? And from here you're gonna see in the home feed you're gonna see channels. So channels are fundamental to working on in Slack, and they are bringing the right people and the information together in one place and make it possible to organize work around a common purpose, right? And basically you're gonna see channel header, messages and files, and then emoji reactions, right? So you can respond with the emoji. And here you're gonna see the message field, right? And when working in Slack, you have variety of options available from the message field to help you communicate and connect with your team, right? You're gonna see it right here, and you're gonna see file, formatting, mentions, and more actions, right? So here you're gonna see search plus in profile, and use the search bar to find something in Slack, the plus button to create something new, and click your profile picture to manage your profile and preferences. You're gonna see the search bar, plus button, and your profile image, right? So basically that's a quick tutorial on how to use Slack in a nutshell. So hopefully that helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.